gotta get through, I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just got.
Hi lovelies, I greet you according to your time. So guys, in today's video we are going to be making chebe oil. Okay guys, just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. If you are new to my YouTube channel, thank you for stopping by. In this channel we make recipe for hair growth, how to grow your natural hair routine, and we vlog. We have a lot to share here. Just stay tuned, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and as well on the bell so that you can be notified anytime we upload a new video. Please be part of our family, okay guys? So as you can see from the video, I just added sunflower oil. You can choose to add any oil of your choice, but I like using sunflower. Okay guys, after adding the sunflower, I then add the chebe powder inside. I cook on a low heat, and after some time I will put it aside to cool down and then strain the oil out. I will as well show you how I apply it on my hair.
Maybe we could be okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
That's it guys, our chebe oil is ready. I just stored in a container for use anytime I need it. Okay guys, so this is how I make my chebe oil, very simple and easy. So here I decided to show the way I use it on my daughter's weaved hair. So you just section your hair. If your hair is not weaved, you can section it in a smaller sizes and then put in your scalp, massage very well, and you are good to go. Okay guys, so this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you my new and old subscriber. Thank you guys, and see you guys in our next video. Alright guys, stay safe, bye.